Hi friends, this is Imran and you are seeing this is a simple gear train design. It has been made from the Autodesk Inventor 2021 version and um, with the course from Skyfi Labs. And if you consider this simple gear train design, we have uh, we have considered a speed reduction of 2:1 and a power transmission requirement of 3.5 kilowatts and at a speed of 120 rpm as input to the drive. And for this design, first there is a division of these parts. First we are going to see the design of spur gears. The design of spur gears can be easily obtained from the design uh, tab. You can see here. From here you can enter the requirements of a spur gear and you can calculate and validate here for your power transmission thing. So it must show that if a spur gear is designed as an effective thing, it should show that calculation indicates as a design compliance. So you can click OK and then click OK. Then the spur gear like this can be generated. And coming to the second point, the design of the shafts. Same here, the shafts can be uh, taken as a standard components and what you have to do means you have to alter the dimensions as per your requirement and the end conditions and the shape of the geometry of the shafts. And next, considering the design of keys. Keys plays the most important role for the effective transmission of the power. So you can see here, um, here for keys you have to just simply select the end conditions and the phase and planar conditions so that it automatically gets the size of the key and as per the standard of ISO 2491A and a key can be generated like this. Make sure that the keys you made should extend beyond from the gears a little bit. And coming to bearings here if you consider for the bearings, I have considered a 8 to 22 mm range for the all ball bearing categories. And all, yeah, now you can see here there are different types of bearings and I have selected a GISP1522 bearing. And after each component is being designed and considered as a dimension thing and finally there should be a housing for the support of all these elements, so that I have created a simple housing for this simple gear design like this. You can see here these are the two supports. And after the assembly what happens means these housings should be grounded out so that the degrees of freedom is completely arrested and there should be a flexibility provided for the spur gears as you can see here and in the table. Finally, after complete assembly, if you give a drive like this, it will show the simple gate train motion. Thank you all. Thank you for your patience.